Ball o' fun! Make a hanging ornament. You'll need old greeting cards, string, a cup, a pencil, scissors, and glue. Step 1. Trace the cup to make 9 or more circles on the greeting card. Step 2. Cut out the circles and fold them in half. Step 3. Put glue on one side of a half circle and stick another half circle to it. Repeat. Step 4. Glue a string onto the last circle you added. Step 5. Cover the string by gluing the first and last circle halves together. Let the glue dry and then hang up your ornament. Happy crafting!